Did you know which three-turn skaters use the most? It's the forward outside three-turn. In today's video, we are going to explore where and how skaters use it. We'll start with skating skills. Our first exercise will be a forward outside three-turn followed by a backward crossover on a perimeter pattern, alternating feet. This exercise is often used in transitions within programs and as a preparation for jumps. Start on a forward outside edge, rotate your upper body into the circle while bending your skating leg. At the top of the three-turn, slightly straighten your skating leg and turn your hips in one direction while your shoulders rotate the other way at the same time. Immediately after the three-turn, step into a backward crossover to complete a half circle. As you transition from one circle to the next, bend your skating leg again, bring your feet closer together, and step into the next three-turn. Continue this pattern around the ring. Our next exercise is called waltz 3, which consists of a forward outside three-turn followed by a backward outside edge. We are going to do this on the same perimeter pattern, alternating feet. Start by pushing onto a forward outside edge, complete a forward outside three-turn, and immediately step onto the opposite foot using a one-foot swivel push. Extend your free leg back and glide on the backward outside edge with your shoulders turned to the outside of the circle. Then push onto the other leg into the next circle, gliding on the backward outside edge of the opposite foot. Begin your next waltz 3 in the opposite direction at the top of the half circle. This exercise is great for connecting steps and improving multi-directional skating skills. Our third exercise using the forward outside three-turn is called the power three-turn. You will start on a forward outside edge and complete a forward outside three-turn on the top of the first half of the circle. Then you step into a two-foot transition on the axis into a backward inside edge and begin a backward crossover on the new half circle. After completing the backward crossover, step forward again and repeat the power three-turn. Make sure to practice in both directions. All of these exercises with detailed explanations, common mistakes, and corrections can be found in my Figure Skating Foundations video course on my website stylesskating.com. This course is perfect for skaters who want to build strong fundamentals from the ground up, as well as for advanced skaters looking to refine their skills. Visit my website now and join the style skating community to become a more graceful skater and skate with ease and confidence. Our next exercise is a great preparation for spins and is called traveling three turns. I have a full video about traveling three turns on my YouTube channel. If you would like to see more of my tutorials and support the channel, please remember to click the like button and subscribe for more great content. Now we are going to move into the spin section. As you know, all forward spins start from a forward outside three-turn, whether it's a forward scratch spin, seat spin, or camel spin. Click on the link above or check the description below for my spins playlist. Once you have learned your basic spins, you will begin working on flying spins, which also use the forward outside three-turn. For the flying camel spin, you start on a forward outside edge. At the top of the three-turn, you rise onto your toe and jump, transitioning into a backward camel spin. For the flying seat spin, the entry is similar. You glide on a forward outside edge, and at the top of the three-turn, you swing your free leg around and jump as you reach the toe of your skating leg. And of course, there is the death drop, another flying seat spin variation. In this spin, you change feet in the air and land on the toe of the opposite foot, going into a backward seat spin. If you have questions about any of these exercises or would like to request a personalized video on demand featuring exercises of your choice, consider joining my YouTube membership. As a member, you can reach out to me directly with all your skating questions. We have gone over skating skills and spins where the forward outside 3 turn is used. And now let's not forget that it's also the beginning of several jumps. The first is the Salchow jump. You start from a forward outside 3 turn, glide on a backward inside edge, and then during the second 3 turn, a backward inside 3 turn, you jump from the top of that turn by moving your free side through. Another jump is the toe loop, which can also start from a forward outside 3 turn. After the 3 turn, change your feet, reach back, tap the ice, and take off from your toe to complete the single toe loop jump. A third very common jump that starts with a forward outside 3 turn is the flip jump. After the 3 turn, reach back with your free leg, tap the ice, move your skating side through, and complete the jump, finishing in a strong landing position. And let's not forget the waltz jump and the axel jump. Even though we are not doing a forward outside 3 turn in these jumps, the takeoff is very similar. You start gliding on a forward outside edge and the jump happens right at the top of where a forward outside 3 turn would occur, just before the turn is actually made. I have a great tutorial available for my Gold members that focuses specifically on the beginning part of the axel jump. As you know, the most important part of any jump is the beginning, the preparation, proper alignment, and takeoff. And to perform great jumps and spins, you must first master the basic skills. When you feel more comfortable gliding on your edges and balancing on one foot, everything else will start to come naturally. That wraps up our exploration of the forward outside 3 turn, one of the most essential elements in figure skating. As you have seen, it's the foundation for skating skills, spins, transitions, and even several jumps. Keep practicing these exercises to build better control, rhythm, and edge quality. I want to thank all my subscribers and especially my YouTube channel members for continuous support. I would not be able to do all this work without you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep skating with style and grace.